Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Herbie with halfamillautos. I'm back. It's the second day of the G35. Today I'm gonna be cutting the fenders. I got a little energy today, so I'm gonna cut the fenders and I'm gonna see what I could do. I'm not gonna weld them on today probably, but I'm just gonna cut them, probably sand them down, the ones that we have here, and do some body work on it. Basically, I'm gonna cut these off now. I got my setup. I got the cutoff wheel. I have another cutting tool, and I'm gonna try to cut this section out and see how it goes. This is the other quarter that I got. It does have like some damage right here, so I don't know if I'm gonna cut right here. It look like a big chunk of Bondo, so I don't know, like, if I know it was body work. Even the paint just looks like it, and under here is like a little rough, and it has like a little rust spot right here, so I'm gonna have to sand that down and just try to fix that. However, so I do got a lot ahead of me just in general. Comment down below, let me know what you think, and let's get to cutting. So, cheap Harbor Freight blade, shot off and hit me in the hand. Cheap blades. Whatever. That didn't work. So I'm going to try this new tool out that I bought. Shim tool. Tool head here. I'll show you guys how this tool works. Sliced a perfect line right through. you guys think about that? So what you guys think so far? Oh man, this is crazy. Pillow. I called in my people, D-Respect, to come check this out and help me out with the quarter panel because I was having a little trouble, and just basically help me figure out how to cut it and how to place it for him to weld it when the time comes. So he's on his way now just to help me finish it, and I'm going to show you how it comes out, and I'll see you soon. I got the professional right here helping me out. Still probably got to cut a little more, right?
Huh? I'll just take off about an inch, that's it.
Like, off this side or no?
Yeah,
What about the top?
Top is kind of
Close?
No, you could.
A little bit of the top, right?
It's wide body kit, that's it.
That's how I was just thinking. I might as well leave it out a little bit.
There he go, cutting extra. There he goes.
I was just thinking.
Good thing he could weld, right?
That might be too far.
No, that line wasn't that accurate.
I should have known.
I'm gonna look up a wide body kit for this.
Are we seeing him? That's for the 07?
Looks like it. Oh no, it's just 08.
I can't find 07. what? Come here. You're gonna come and say, he's an amateur.
I worked in a body shop for 20 years.
You know how
I would never do that. They're like, where which city you selling this car in? Just for my just for my information. No.
What most people would have told you to do was move it over here. Change the whole quarter. It'll be neater and it's actually easier, believe it or not.
I just want to get compared to the last thing.
Yeah. Cut this. Yeah, I'll cut it the same way across here. And just do the body work across here. But the problem is you got to do nice body work. Because the body, if you look at the body, it has no moldings, no nothing. But like everything is straight.
That's why I was scared about this piece. I want to leave this one. Like I want to leave this round piece like that. You know, it's like you're down right there. But
Yeah, well that you could bang out before you finally screw it.
That's what I was saying, that it's good to do the body work here, because you won't see where it's lifted either. So it'll be like, you know what I mean?
yeah.
Like that, so you won't really see that. And this, you can bring back like this. That, you just bring forward into that.
What I'm saying, so you want to grind this down or no?
Hmm? Yeah, that's going to be grounded. That's all going to be grounded. That's like a rubber. So that's just to like hold it in place. While you drive it on tunnel.
Yeah. So guys, after all that work, we came to something. We put some self-tapping screws in here just to hold it into place for now. Just to hold it and basically get the weld together so the weld won't move. And we got everything lined up and perfect. We just have to like do a little more grinding and welding. So that's next. But it's just, this is like what we finished just now. So this is how it came out. So we got to just tack weld it all around, and just those screws are there to hold it in place so it won't move. So far so good. And then the rest is just body work and paint. The other side is still regular. We didn't touch the other side yet, but this is just one step at a time. But that's good so far.